Good day. Today I wanted to just show you how to do a footer section in WordPress blocks. So I'm going to open a new screen, okay, and I'm going to go to my address. So let's go there. Alright, I've only set up a header and one page for the time being. I haven't gone ahead and done anything further. I'm now going to log into my console. Okay, I'm in here. Alright, so if you have a look, I've just got my home page. And as you saw, there was nothing for a footer. So the place that we go to find a footer is we go to Appearance and we click on Editor. All right, and then you'll find it under Patterns. Okay, and then here's a footer under Patterns. Okay, then I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to choose this Edit option. And I always like to use this list view. It's quite a nice way of showing up. As you can see, it's just got two entries. The first one is a group, and then it's a row, and it's got site title and a paragraph. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to add a footer element that adds a copyright notice, and I'm going to add that as a black with a black background. So the way that I do that is I'll leave this row as it is because I'm gonna be happy. Actually, I might change it later, but I'm gonna go and add a new group. So I'm gonna go and say add after, and then it comes up with this box, and then I just choose group, okay, and I tell it I want a single group. And if I want to look at any style settings, they show up on the side here. I can have a look at those as well. Okay, but I'm going to click on this plus sign here, and I'm wanting to add a custom HTML. So I'm going to click on there, and inside the custom HTML, I'm going to go ahead and write my HTML statement. So I'm creating a paragraph, and my style is going to be background color 0E 0E 0E. Okay, and I close that. I also want to make sure my copyright is centered, so I'm going to center it. And then I'm going to say copyright and copy 2023, and then I'm going to give it the name of block tutorial. I'm going to close my center, and I'm going to close my paragraph. Okay, and I'll click on save. Okay, and if I click on preview, you see there it's got my copyright notice. Okay, it doesn't seem to have the black background, but what I'll do is I'll click on this group, and does it show me any style? Not at the moment. Okay, there we go. If you click on this, go to block, and you go to styles here, I can choose background, and then I can set my color to whatever background I want. So I'm just going to go OE, OE, OE. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay. Click on save and save. So now I've got this as my background. That's there. And then for this group, you can see it's created one single row. I want to actually create 4 columns. So I'm going to click on this option and I'm going to say convert it to columns. And what's nice is that it converts it to columns, and you see here on the right it's got how many columns would you like, and I can choose I would like 4 columns. And the other thing that I like about it is you've got this here and you can say make use of the full width. So it's now giving me the option for full width. So this is the advantage of having both the group and the columns, is that the columns gives you this option of full width like that. Okay. And as you can see, it's gone and moved the row and all of the details inside there. I'm happy to leave those in there. The thing that I wanted to mostly add is come over here and go to social feeds. So I can add my social icons, and you just click on the plus sign here and you choose everyone's normally got a Facebook page. If you click on here, you can add in the next one. It's Facebook, LinkedIn, and we want to add another one. We either Twitter or Instagram. A lot of people seem to like Instagram. And the nice thing is that I can also go and adjust the center. I can make all of these centered, and I can also stretch the column to be a bit wider than what it currently is. So there's the width of it. So if I want to make it 40%, it can make it 40%, and then it'll adjust the other columns accordingly. Yeah, and then like I said, I'm just going to add Instagram. There we go, and we've got our icons. And so this is the basic method of creating a footer in WordPress blocks. And so if we go and save it, we can go out, go back out over here. Okay. And let's go to our pages, and we want to view this. So I'm going to open a new page, and there you can see, because there's no I haven't added any details to the icons, it won't show up. As soon as I go and add, let me just add even a letter. So I'm going to go back to the editor here, go back to patterns, go back to footer. Okay, and click on Facebook. I'll just type in Facebook. Okay, click in here, type in LinkedIn. Okay, over here, Twitter. Okay, and Instagram. Okay, click on save and save. Now when I refresh, there the icons appear. So that's what's quite nice about the blocks theme, is that if there's blank information, it won't show up, but if there is information added, then the icons will show up. I hope this video has been helpful and informative for somebody. Yeah, the blocks is really growing and I'm really enjoying it. I hope that you're able to build fancier WordPress websites using blocks. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.